Now let us see exercise 7.4 fifth question. So now see the question. Four persons live in a conical tent whose land height is 19 centimeter. If each person requires 22 centimeter square of the floor area, then find the height of the tent. So in our question what they have given, one conical tent you have, okay. So the slant height of the conical tent they have given. So slant height means this part, okay. So that is L. L is equal to how many centimeter they have given? 19 centimeter they have given. How many persons live in a conical tent? 4 persons. So in this conical tent, which part they can sit? This floor area, the circle part only they can sit, okay. So how many persons live in a conical tent? 4 persons. After in our question they have given, if each person means one person requires how many centimeter square of the floor area? 22 centimeter square. One person needed 22 centimeter square. Here how many persons live in a conical tent? 4 persons. So first you have to find out one person 22 centimeter square needed means 4 person how many centimeter square? 4 into 22. So then 88 centimeter square. So here in our question what they have asked to find out? Find the height of the tent. So height of the tent means this height only we need to find out. Okay, so that is the question. So here you know that in the conical tent this circle part only they can sit. So the circle part, so you know that here 4 persons live in a conical tent. So 4 person means this, like you can divide. So one person required, one person requires how many centimeter square? 22 centimeter square, okay. So one person requires 22 centimeter square means 4 persons requires how many centimeter square? 4 into 22. So that is 88 centimeter square. After here you know that this is a circle part only. So 88 centimeter square mean that is what? So that is area of a circle. So area of the circle formula is what? Pi r square formula. So that area only we know that. So now only we found it. That is 88 centimeter square. But in our question what they have asked to find out? Find the height of the tent. So height you need to find out, okay. So then which formula you can apply? First radius, this formula you can apply. So L square is equal to R square plus height square, because we needed this height only we needed, okay. So height of the conical tent only we needed. So L slant height they have given. After R value, radius how we can find out? So that's why we are using the area of the circle. So area of the circle mean here 4 persons how much area they occupied? So 88 centimeter square. So pi r square is equal to 88 centimeter square. So then use that one, you can find out the R value, then apply here, then you will get the height of the conical tent. So now see here, from a given conical tent, base area means nothing but that's a floor area, that is circle part only, okay. So base area of the cone is equal to, so one person requires 22 centimeter square mean in this conical tent 4 person they can sit, okay. So then 4 into 22 that is 88. So base area means nothing but that's area of the circle only. So the area of the circle, how much area? 88. So both one is equal only. So area of the base area of the cone, that you can apply the area of the circle pi r square is equal to 4 person, 1 person 22, here 4 persons live in a conical tent. So 4 into 22 that is 88, okay. So this area that is 88 centimeters square. So that's why we have written pi r square is equal to 88 centimeter. So pi value that is 22 by 7 into R value here, what is it? R square you can write, radius you don't know, we need to find out, okay. So R square is equal to 88, so then R square is equal to 88 into this 22 by 7, if you transpose to that side how it will change? 7 by 22. So after R square is equal to, can you cancel it? 22 1 is 22, 22 4s are 88. So now R square is equal to 28 centimeter square. You can keep it this like R value like that, no need, R value no need to find out, okay, because your formula is L square is equal to R square plus height square. Slant height formula only we are going to use, because we needed only the height of the conical tent only we needed. So radius R square, now only we found it. L you know that, so L square means 19 square. So then you can find out the height value. So write that slant height formula, L square is equal to R square plus height square. So L square, slant height you know that is 19 square is equal to 19, L is equal to 19, L square means 19 into 19, that means 19 square is equal to R square, now only we found it, so 28. So 28 plus height square, you don't know, height value only need to find out. So just you can keep it height square. then height square bring it to this, keep it that side, this part bring it to this side. Okay, so height square is equal to 19 square. This plus part if we transpose to this side, how it will change? Minus 28. So height square is equal to 19 square minus 28, then height is equal to square root. So this square if we take it to that side, so how it will change? Square root of height is equal to square root of 19 square minus 28. Now 19 square means 19 into 19, so that is height is equal to 361. 19 square, that is 361 minus 28. If you subtract, then you will get height is equal to 300 and square root of 333. So this is not a perfect square, then you need to find out the square root. So now see, you know that how to find out the square root. Here 333 you have. Now see, here you can put it the 0.00 you can put it. Okay, so now see here first, here if you have the 3 digit means, so first you know that first 1 digit only we need to take. Okay, so 4 digit means 2 digit we need to take. Only 2 digit mean 2 digit together we need to take, but here 3 digit you have, so first 1 digit, after 2 digit we need to take. So now 3 you have, so first what you have to take is square root. How you can find out? Which two same number, while you are multiplying you can get it the same number or near the number. Okay, so here 1 is 1, 2 2s are mean 4, more than this number it will come, so that number you cannot take, so you can take 1 is 1. Okay, so the remaining what it will come? 3 minus 1, that is 2. Now in the next step, what you have to do? This and this you need to add. So 1 plus 1, that is 2. So in the next one, so 2 with which number need to see? 2 with which number? 8 8. So sorry, the next, if you subtract 2 it will come. So here after next 2 digit we can bring it to this side, bring it down. Okay, so 233 you have. So now 2 with which two same number if you multiply, mean you can get it near this number or the same number. Okay, so now 288 if you multiply only you can get it, so 224 you can get it. So 299 if you take means more than this value you can get it, so that number you cannot consider. So 28 into 8, so 8 you can write here, here also you can write. Now you have got it 224. Now if you subtract means what you have got it? 9. The next, here there is no number, so you can put it 0.000. So here also you can put it the point. So point after 2 digit we need to bring down, so 2 zeros bring it down. So here what it will come? 28 add with 8. Okay, so which numbers we have multiplied, that number you need to add. So 28 plus 8, that is 36. So after here 900 you have, so 36 with which number we need to see? So 2 only. Near this number it will come. 3 if you take mean more than this value you can get it. Okay, so that we cannot take it. So now 2 here you can write, here also you can write, so that is 724. After again if you subtract you can get it 176. Next step, next 2 digit we need to bring, that is next 2 zeros. Here what you have to do? 362 add with this number. Okay, so this and this we need to add. So 364 you have. So 364 with which number? So that is 4 and 4 only if you multiply. 364, 4 if you multiply only, you can get it this value, nearby this value. 5 if you take mean more than this value you can get it, so that you cannot take it. So now you have got it this one. So after subtract means the same steps you can do it. Now what answer we have got it? 18.248. Okay, so after the point 3 digit till you can find out, then only the round you can round off this number. So 18.248 you have got it. So now see here, so after the point 2 digit you can take. So here the last digit 5 and more than 5 if you have, mean you can add it one number to here. Otherwise simply you have to write 18.24. But here the last digit 5, more than 5 you have, so that 8 you have, that is more than 5. One number you can add with this number, so that is 18.25. So height value, that is 18.25 centimeter. So write the answer. Height of the tent, that is 18.25 centimeter. Thank you.